Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, your class of Principles of Commerce by me, your instructor, Sumera Mahmood. Here, we are starting our self assessment of warehousing that you people have to justify yourself that after going through or the topic of warehousing, and I have shown you the slides and lecture notes also. So, today is your self testing that you have to know that how much you have learned. Now let's prepare yourself. Open your sheets, put the numbering by yourself 1 and 2. Okay. Chapter warehousing. Your first slide is on the screen. You have to write it down the function of commerce, which are mentioned on the screen. After writing प्रोडक्शन फाइनेंस या ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इन तीनों के अलावा कोई और फंक्शंस ऑफ कॉमर्स हैं तो आप लोगों ने एनी फोर मेंशन करना है. You have to write it down any four functions of commerce except the three which are already mentioned on the screen. Except the three. Your next question will be introduction of warehouse. It is from the introduction of the warehousing. A warehouse is a dash building for storage goods. Warehouses are used by manufacturer, importer, exporter, wholesalers, transport, businesses, and custom, etc. You have to write it down. You can do the numbering by yourself. I just want your correct answers. Then we have warehousing provides the backbone of a product being dash, 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 and dash from a company to the consumer, ensuring quality. Here you have four dash, and the top you have just one word dash. In the second, you have to write down the four words. What are those, you can say, functions or the role of warehousing that it is providing as a backbone of a product? Your next fill in the blanks will be the functions of warehousing. The few functions already mentioned on the screen. The first function is your storage, second is your price stabilization. You have to write it down the third one, and another option I have given you financing, and then fifth one is missing. So you have to fill the blanks. We have five functions of the warehousing that we have gone through in the slides we have done in the last you can say week. On Friday I have discussed with you the functions of warehousing is storage, price stabilization, dash, and financing and dash. You have to write it down the appropriate words in the functions of warehousing, sorry. Your next fill in the blanks will be you have to write it down the words which can be fit over here. Warehouse plays an important role in the process of price stabilization. It is achieved by the creation of time utility by warehousing, fall in the prices of goods when their supply is in abundance, and rise in their price during the slack seasons are avoided. Secondly, you have to fit the appropriate word. When the goods are stored in warehouses, they are exposed to many risks in the form of theft, deterioration, and exploration fire. You have to write it down the appropriate word for the given statements. Next, you have to write it down the types of warehousing. The most easiest one, warehouses can be classified into four group sizes. You have number one is dash warehousing, number two is public warehousing, number three is dash warehousing, and number four is other type of warehousing. You have to fill the two names over here. It is most easiest one till now. Your next blank will be you have to put the appropriate words. Dash warehousing are exclusively owned and used by the producers themselves and are not meant for other manufacturing or business unit. Exclusively used and owned by the producers. You have to write it down the appropriate word over here. And then dash warehousing are known as duty paid warehouse, and you have to write it down the appropriate word over here. You have to write it down the appropriate words that suits the given statements. Next, warehousing is a procedure whereby a company gradually builds up a dash of shares in a company it wishes to take over in the future. The process of storing goods within a storage facility. Now, the dash or the fill in the blanks you have to cover over here is warehousing is a procedure whereby a company gradually builds up a dash of shares in a company. It fulfills dash of shares in a company it wishes to take over in the future. This is your blank that you have to write it down the appropriate word over here. This will be considered as your long question, your last question, section B. Define warehousing, number one, and then write three types of warehousing. One point I would like to add over here, it's your define warehousing and write, wait, define warehousing and write five functions or five advantages. Okay, five functions or advantages of warehousing. This would I would like to add over here. This is your question one, define warehousing. Question two is write five advantages slash functions. Advantages, your functions. You can write the same point or the warehousing, that what is the role of warehouse, what is the advantage of the warehouse for a company के पास warehouse होने के क्या advantage या functions होते हैं वो. And then in the third question you have to write it down the three types of warehousing, any three that you want to write it down. Okay, as I told you that it is your longest question, so you have to write it down in detail, your warehousing definition, and then advantages, and then three types of warehousing. You have to write it down. Clear? So after you have solved your question, you have done your test, yeah, then you can email me and you can leave the class. Okay. I would like to share my email once again with you people. It's mrs underscore mashood. It's double H double O D at the rate Hotmail. You have to email me your test papers on my address. Okay. This is my email, and this is the question which is appearing on the screen that you have to write it down. Definition of warehousing, its functions of warehousing, any five, and types of warehousing. That's all for today. Thank you so much for the test.